is Keith Priya from 8th standard B section. I am going to explain the topic is Survey of India. Content: Introduction to SOI, History, Logo, Vision of SOI, Organization, Head of Organization. Introduction to Survey of India. Survey of India. The National Survey and Mapping Organization of the country under the Department of Science and Technology is the oldest scientific department of government of India. It was set up in 1767 and has involved rich traditions over the year. In its assigned role as the nation principal mapping agency, Survey of India bears a special responsibility to ensure that the country's domain in explored and mapped suitable, provide base maps for expeditious and irrigated development and ensure that all resources contribute with their full measure to the progress, prosperity and security of our country now and for generation to come. History of SOI. First survey in India have conducted in Baramahal, the present Dharmapuri, Krishnagiri and North Arcot were called as Baramahal. Cole, Alexander Reed, Superintendent of Salem and Baramahal ordered district was started by January 1793 under the head of W. Mather and completed by the year 1796. Reference Baramahal records. Wall 1, p. 220 in letter dated 4/10/1997. The British government appreciated Cole Alexander. The Great Trigonometry Survey. The Great Trigonometry Survey was started by British surveyor Cole William Lambton on the 10th of April 1802. It was started from St. Thomas Mount, Chennai to foothills of Himalayas. It took 57 days to measure the 12-kilometer baseline, 36-inch huge 1.5 ton weight theodolite was used to measure this 5-decade project was completed under Survey General Lt. George Everest in the year 1852. Surveyor Radhanath Sikdar measured Mount Everest in 1852 with a highest of 29.2 feet. Modern Modern measurements indicates the height is 29,037 feet. This is recorded as the beginning of systematic topographical mapping in India and the founding of one of the oldest survey and mapping agencies in the world. Logo of SOI, Survey of India. Vision of SOI. Vision. Survey of India will take a leadership role in providing user factor cost effective, reliable and quality geospatial data information and intelligence of meeting the needs of national security, sustainable national development and new information market. Head of SOI, Dr. Swarna Subha ROA. Surveyor General of India, Office of Surveyor General of India, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Organization. The Survey of India headquartered at Dehradun has 18 civil engineering divisions ranging from the prediction of tides to aerial survey. It has 23 geospatial data centers spread across India, each gathering to the respective administrative area. Surveyors are the backbone of Survey of India. Appointments to Group A civil engineering post in the junior time scale in Survey of India are made on the basis of competitive Indian engineering service examination conducted by the Union Public Service Commission. The important civil engineering posts and electronics and communication engineering posts in Survey of India. Service divided between CIS Civil and CIS EC and TE. are as below. Draftman, plain table surveyor, survey assistant, surveyor, officer, surveyor, deputy superintending surveyor, superintending surveyor, superintending surveyor, non-functional second trade, deputy director, director deputy, surveyor general, additional surveyor general, surveyor general. Activities, character of duties, all geodetics control horizontal and vertical and geodetical and geophysics surveys, all topographical control survey and mapping within India, mapping and production of geographical maps and aeronautical charts, survey of developmental projects, survey of forest cantonments, large scale city survey, guide maps, cadastral survey, etc. Survey and mapping of special maps, spelling of geographical names, etc. Different survey organization. Indian Institute of Surveying and Mapping, IIS and Survey of India Service, Archaeological Survey of India, ASI, Botanical Survey of India, BSI, Cartography of India, Geological Survey of India, GSI, Linguistic Survey of India, Geological Survey of India, ZSI, Forest Survey of India, FSI, Fisher Survey of India, FSI. Thank you.